Outstanding design defines the 2005 Pontiac Grand Am. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 160,000-kilometer mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front fog lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.